In this video, I'm taking a look at the latest device available from Aspire, the Pulz Pro. Now, Aspire have been doing incredible things with getting the smallest form factor with the most technology crammed in. We've got a 1400 milliamp hour battery, we've got smart mode, but let's drop down and take a look. Here it is, the Aspire Pulz Pro. Now this device is available in 5 different colors. I've only got one available to show you, but this one is something quite special. Like I said, it's very, very dainty, small form factor, 1400 milliamp hours hidden away in your hand. That is quite a hefty feat. Now this device has a 0.6 ohm mini can mesh pod that comes with the device. You also get a USB-C charge cable, USB-A to USB-C, and you get an instruction manual. Other than that, you don't get a lot in the box. It's all about the device here. Now this device goes 5 to 30 watt output. It's button and inhale activated. It will even do restricted direct to lung or mouth to lung vaping thanks to this huge open bore on the airflow here on the front. Just down the bottom there you can see the USB-C charge port. As I said, it has a 0.6 ohm pod in it. That is the mini can pods. They're mesh pods, and yeah, just the one comes with the device. If I can show you, this is a 0.6 ohm, but it is only a 2 mil pod. Now you can just see as the light shines through, actually the majority of that pod is cut off. And that's because it's got a reducer in it. So inside Europe, you're going to get this smaller 2 mil pod. Internationally, it will be the full pod itself. So you'll be able to see your liquid even further up. But in the device itself, you can still see it, just to help for the camera to pick it up. You can still see the juice there. So you'll know when your liquid's running low. But let's fire it up and have a look. 5 clicks on. At the top here we have 75% of battery. We can see there's a 0.6 ohm resistance coil, and I've zeroed the puff count. 15 watts is what we're currently on. 1.2 gets me into the menu, smart mode, wattage and puff count. That's where I just zeroed the puff count off. If I go into wattage, I'm on 5 watts, so I can manually select 1, 2, 3. Gives me a manual selection, so I can take that to wherever I want. I just round robin down to a nice low number, and it's selected 5 watts. 1, 2. I'll go back round to smart mode. Just leave it go and it will select it, and there you'll see it's selected 15 watts. Now with the device, it is button or inhale activated. Just inhale or just by the button. You can kind of pick whichever one suits you, but if you want to lock off the button, then you'll need to go on the button here, press 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you'll get that little padlock come up. And that's it now, so it's only inhale activated. It won't go off in your pocket. You're not going to burn out that coil any quicker. So it's a very, very simple device. Literally from this point, we've covered all the functionality of this device. The only thing I would want to demonstrate to you is closed off. It is a very restricted draw, so it depends how you like your vaping. Very, very tight. But you know, for some people that's really going to satisfy them, especially with like a 1 ohm coil, more restricted. I like it very airy, so I'll open it right up and just show you how it goes with a restricted draw. Tons of flavour and tons of vapour. Now, I'm actually using a 70-30 with this one. The liquid's by a brand called King's Custard. The 70-30 is handled really well in this. It is a kind of crossover resistance in my mind. Check out the different colours that you can find available for this one. There's bound to be something that will suit you. But that's been my first look at the Aspire Pulz Pro. If you like this video and you want to see more of the different devices that are available, make sure you're subscribed somewhere down there, and I'll see you same time next time.